In this video, we will explore log files and system logs, focusing on viewing and analyzing them in Linux. Log files are essential for understanding what's happening on your system, and this guide will help you make sense of them. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are log files? Log files serve several important purposes. They record system events and activities, track how applications are behaving, monitor the overall health of your system, help you troubleshoot problems, and are crucial for security auditing and compliance. Most log files are stored in the /var/log/ directory. System logs can typically be found at /var/log/syslog. Authentication logs are located at /var/log/auth.log. Kernel logs reside at /var/log/kern.log. Additionally, applications often store their specific logs in subdirectories within the main log directory. Now let's look at some essential commands for viewing logs. The cat command displays the entire contents of a log file at once. For example, to view the system log, you can use the command cat/var/log/syslog. The less command allows you to scroll through large log files. This is useful when the file is too big to display all at once. Use less/var/log/syslog and press the Q key to quit. The tail command shows the last lines of a log file. For instance, tail-n20/var/log/syslog will display the last 20 lines. Conversely, the head command shows the first lines of a log file. Running head-n20/var/log/syslog will show the first 20 lines. Next, let's explore real-time log monitoring. The tail command with the F option, also known as follow mode, is invaluable for this. Executing tail-f/var/log/syslog continuously displays new log entries as they are written to the file. Press Ctrl+C to exit follow mode. You can also monitor multiple log files simultaneously using tail-f/var/log/syslog/var/log/auth.log. Each new entry will be prefixed with the file name, making it easier to distinguish between the logs. To view a specific number of lines and continue monitoring, use tail-n5-f/var/log/syslog. This command shows the last 5 lines of the file, and then keeps displaying new entries as they appear. Now let's see how to filter log content to find specific information. The grep command is your best friend here. To display only lines containing the word error in the system log, use grep error/var/log/syslog. To perform a case-insensitive search which matches error, capital error, error, and so on, use grep-i error/var/log/syslog. You can also display lines with context around the matched line. The command grep-a2-b1 failed/var/log/auth.log shows 1 line before and 2 lines after each match of the word failed. For more complex pattern matching, you can use regular expressions. The command grep-e error pipe warning pipe critical/var/log/syslog matches lines containing any of the terms error, warning, or critical. Let's dive into advanced log analysis by combining commands for more powerful insights. To count how many failed password attempts are in the authentication log, you can use grep failed password /var/log/auth.log pipe wc-l. This command pipes the output of grep to wc-l, which counts the number of lines, effectively counting the occurrences. To list and count unique IP addresses with failed login attempts, use grep failed password /var/log/auth. Log pipe awk single quote open curly bracket print $11 close curly bracket single quote pipe sort pipe unique-c. This command extracts the 11th field, which typically contains the IP address, sorts the IP addresses, and then uses unique-c to count the unique occurrences. To filter logs based on time, you can use grep june15 /var/log/syslog pipe grep error. This command first filters the log for entries from June the 15th, and then filters those entries for error messages. To extract specific fields from the log, use grep session open /var/log/auth, log pipeoc single quote open curly bracket print $1, $2, $3, $11 close curly bracket single quote. This command extracts the date, time, and username for successful logins. Beyond basic command line tools, several specialized tools can help with log analysis. journalctl is a modern log viewer for systemd-based systems, providing powerful filtering and formatting options. For example, journalctl-USSH service double- since today shows logs for the SSH service from today. Log rotate manages log file rotation, compression, and removal to prevent logs from consuming too much disk space. Configuration is typically found in /etc/log rotate (LNF). LNAV, which stands for Log File Navigator, is a log file navigator with syntax highlighting, filtering, and SQL-like queries for log analysis. Use the command lnav/var/log/syslog/var/log/auth.log. LogWatch analyzes and reports on system logs, providing daily summaries of important events via email. To generate a detailed report for yesterday, use the command logwatch double-detail, high double-range yesterday. Let's take a deeper look into journalctl. To view logs for a specific systemd service, use journalctl-u apache2.service. To filter logs by a specific time range, use journalctl double- since June 15, 2023, 10 o'clock double- until June 15, 2023, 11 o'clock. This command shows logs from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on June 15, 2023. To filter logs by priority, use journalctl-p alert. This will show only error, critical, and alert level messages. You can also format the output for easier parsing. For instance, journalctl-o JSON pretty formats the output as pretty printed JSON. Let's summarize some log management best practices. First, configure log rotate to manage log file sizes and prevent disk space issues. Set appropriate rotation intervals based on system activity. Protect log files with appropriate permissions. Sensitive logs should be readable only by root or specific system users. For multi-server environments, consider centralized logging solutions like the ELK stack, which stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, or Graylog. Set up automated monitoring and alerting for critical log events and schedule regular log reviews as part of system maintenance. System logs are invaluable resources for troubleshooting, security monitoring, and system health assessment. By mastering log analysis tools and techniques, you can quickly identify and resolve issues, detect security threats, and ensure optimal system performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.